Jai Srimanarayana. 17th sloka of first chapter Bhagavad Gita. Kasyascha parameshvasaha sikhandi cha maharadhaha drushtadyumno viratascha satyakischa aparajitaha. Extend your help to those who are fighting for right. In the 18th chapter, Sri Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Let us now give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Srimanarayana, I shall always extend my help to those who are fighting for right. O Srimanarayana, I shall come to you, surrender to you alone. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham. Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra," Bali Chakravarti saying to Vamana like this, "O my dear Brahmana boy, if you want, I can give a part of this entire earth also. Na puman mam vupavrajya bhuyo yachitumarhati." O my dear Brahmana, once anyone comes and gets anything from me, they should not be going to anyone for any more things. That is my sankalpam. I do not like anyone going to any other people to beg something after they got something from me. That means I will give, once anyone asks from me, I will give something by which he or she doesn't have to go and beg from anyone. To that extent I will give. Oh my dear Brahmana, that is why bhumim vato kamam pratichame. You take whatever the amount of this bhumi you want, you can take from me. Vasudha khandamu vedito. Why don't you ask a part of this earth? Gajamulan vanchinchito. Why don't you ask for few elephants? Vajulan vesanuvu hinchito korito. Why don't you ask for some horses? Yuvatulan vekshinchi kankshinchito. Why don't you ask for beautiful girls? I can give if you want. పసిబాలుండవు నేరవు అడుగ నీ భాగ్యంబుల్ ఈ పాటి కాక అసురేంద్రుండు పదత్రయంబు అడుగన్ ఈ అల్పంబున్ ఈ నేర్చునే. Poor boy you are, you do not know what to even ask. You are asking just 3 feet of land. I am the king of kings of all these Rakshasas. I am the Chakravarti. I am the emperor. How do you think that I would give just only 3 feet of land? Like that, Bali Chakravarti saying to Vamana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 17th sloka. Kasyascha parameshvasaha शिखंडी च महारथः दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च अपराजितः. काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखंडी च महारथः दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजितः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.